Hello, my friends. This is the video that I made on XRP on February the 6th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $2.45. And my main assumption at this very point was that we have to complete our ABC correction to the downside, and potentially it has to land at zero point 0.5 fib retracement level at around $2.29 mark. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point, $2.45, and since I made my previous video, this asset hit exactly the range that I predicted. It hit it to the tick pretty much twice and had a very good reaction. And for now, guys, it is approaching to its point where it will invalidate the bear count, at least short and medium term bear count. So this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis, and if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, guys, for now I added the gold tier for limited 10 vacant places, and the only difference in between these two tiers is this one. Discord access member will have all the data for the potential trades, for the potential tickers that you should be aware of, but the gold tier members will have the exact setups with the stop loss and take profit orders. They will have the exact notifications when and how they should trade certain asset. On top of that, for each and every member, I will do a weekly 30 minutes Zoom calls in order to answer their question and in order to teach them how to properly use technical analysis and how to be successful trader. That is why, guys, for some of you, this might be a game changer opportunity, and if you want to drastically enhance your trading skills, feel free to invest in yourself.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, guys, and what should we expect next? I have to admit that this sell-off, and we hit the stop loss order with losses of about, I guess, somewhere around 10 or 12%, and it prevented us from much bigger losses of about 40 to 50% of the entire portfolio. And when I made my previous video somewhere at this point, I told you that from this level, we still have a quite high chances to break its all-time high. And for now, guys, I have pretty much perfect contender to see this breakout above this previous swing high. Everything I will show you in just several minutes, but for now, let's take a look at the broader, the bigger picture for the entire crypto industries. So, for now, the global crypto market cap is $3.22 trillion. It is up by 1.39% increase over the last day. And I have to admit that over the last day, Bitcoin gained just 0.97%. And this means other coins made these quite substantial movements. Let me show you that, as you can see right now, Bitcoin is at 0.46% increase for the last 24 hours, and definitely the winner is XRP. That is why, guys, I am making this video, and that is why, guys, let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, guys, first of all, this sideways movement might be quite interesting. On the one hand, if it is the bottom, and for now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have another lower point right here, and yes, I think it is this ABC is invalidated, and we have a bigger ABC. Potentially this is our A wave, somewhere here might be our B wave, and C wave, C wave potentially could be lower. But at the same time, guys, we have very interesting pattern that was broken just recently. I will show you like this. This is the perfect 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is the perfect 5-wave diagonal to the downside. That is nothing else but on a bigger scale. Let me show you from this bottom. It is a 1, 2 setup, and this is the perfect contender to the second wave. I have to let me show you like this. I have to upgrade upgrade this degree to this cycle. Let's better downgrade this scale. to minor. So, and we have a chance to form the third wave, then retracement to the fourth one, and then we have to hit higher targets. But this structure might be quite interesting again. Let me mark it like this. So, on the one hand, we could have, let me show you something like this. We could have, this is our first wave, second, another one, two. And we are about to see third, fourth, fifth, another fourth wave on a bigger scale, and another fifth that will be the top of the entire structure. And I think it is quite messy with two set of 1-2s, but at the same time, guys, we could have this pattern. We have clear range of resistance and clear range of support. And this pattern is nothing else but the ABCDE pattern. From this top, we could have, this is our A wave, B, C, D, and E. And this breakout happened, it broke this previous swing high, and this means potentially it is a legitimate breakout. And we will confirm its major movement to the upside when it breaks this top of the first wave. At the same time, guys, the invalidation point is extremely close to our current price. That is why the likelihood of the breakout for this level of about 2.70, let's say $79 is extremely high. But I don't think that it will happen with the first attempt. Potentially, we might have, let me mark it first of all, this level of resistance. Potentially, we might have something like this. This is the range of resistance, and we will test it for the first time. Then we will have a bounce, then we will have the breakout above it, then another retest as the range of support, and then we will go higher. This is just my assumption, and I don't know what will be the real price action around this level. But it is the crucial level that will confirm that potentially the second wave is right here, and we are heading to the most powerful, to the top of the most powerful and potentially the biggest wave among 5 waves, to the top of the third wave. And I don't want to make any assumptions of the price targets on the smaller time frame, but on the bigger scale, let me remind you that as long as this pivot holds, and for now I don't have any signs that potentially this asset will break it in at least a near-term perspective, with the, let's switch to 4 hours time frame, with the assumption that from the bottom of this entire structure we had only a couple of waves. We have a chance to hit around 0.786 fib extension level at the price point of $4 mark. And $4 is the round number by itself, and this might definitely be quite substantial movement to the upside that will be on a bigger scale, potentially the top of our 5th wave for the entire movement of XRP. But at the same time, guys, I prefer to do one step at a time, and despite the quite messy chart right here on 4 hours time frame, if we dig deeper, we still have this chance to see movement to the upside. Let me move all the waves accordingly to its potential movement, and if it happens, guys, definitely the retest of its all-time high that was established in the middle of January of 2025 is a very viable price target. And from our current price, we might have at least 25% to this price target, and potentially we might break it. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm back.